Let me tell you about a production incident that started with good intentions. Someone tried to make the system more reliable. They added retries, no bugs, no crashes, no bad code. And yet, production went down harder than before. This is one of the most common mistakes in distributed systems. And almost every engineer makes it at least once in their career. Before we continue, if you are finding these incidents useful, like this video and subscribe. I'm running a 30-day real DevOps incident challenge. If you complete all the days, I'll personally send you a free DevOps simulation ebook. No paid course will ever teach you. Now let's get into today's failure. This is not a Kubernetes problem. This is not a cloud problem. This is not a tool problem. This is a system behavior problem. Specifically, what happens when everyone retries at the same time? Imagine a normal prod system. It's a production system. Users send requests. These requests are going to hit APIs. APIs talk to downstream services. Everything works fine. Latency is acceptable. Traffic is normal. Dashboards are green. Then something slows down. Not down, not broken, just slower. An engineer sees timeouts. They think, let's add retries so requests don't fail. Seems reasonable. Even recommended in many blogs. So retries are added. Client retries, service retries, SDK retries, load balancer retries, every service retries. Nobody coordinates and nobody realizes what's about to happen. How the retry storm starts. Here's the critical mistake. Retries multiply traffic. One request becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8. Now imagine thousands of users doing this at the same time. The system isn't recovering, it's being attacked by its own safety mechanism. This is called a retry storm. Why nothing looks wrong at first? Here's why this is terrifying. No errors initially, no crashes, services look up and running, monitoring lags behind reality. The system is dying slowly. Queues fill, threads block, connections exhaust. But dashboard stays green. So, what's the business impact here? Now, users experience random failures, slow responses, inconsistent behavior. Business sees checkout failures, API rate limits hit, drop in successful transaction, support tickets exploding. Revenue doesn't drop instantly, it falls off a cliff and nobody knows why. Why restarting makes it worse? Someone panics, they restart services. Big mistake. Now, cold caches, warm up traffic, even more retries. The storm intensifies. This is how outages extend from minutes to hours. Very few engineers don't ask what service is down, they ask who is retrying, how often, with what back off, is retry traffic bounded, are failures fast or slow, retries are not free, they are depth. This is day 6 of the challenge. You are on call, system is struggling, latency is rising, no hard failures yet. You suspect retries. What is the first thing you would check? I'm not asking here for the fix or the tool, just your thinking process. There is no single correct answer here. This incident separates engineers who add retries blindly versus engineers who understand distributed systems. Comment your thought process that keeps your day 6 streak alive. Retries don't save broken systems, they amplify pressure. Day 6 teaches you reliability mechanisms can cause outages. Tomorrow is even more dangerous.